back to my channel. So today it's going to be acrylic painting, and mainly it is light rays through the woods, the shining light, and then the rays passing through the trees, and that's what we are going to paint today. But before that, if you are new to this channel, or if you are a returning viewer, if you have not subscribed, and if you like my content, like my video and share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. That's the main thing which actually helps YouTube algorithm, also keeps me motivated. So let's get back to the painting itself. So you can actually see that layer by layer application again, but the concentrate on the last part where the rays, there are different ways. If I'm using oil paint, maybe I'll wait for some time or some days, or use fast drying medium and then apply the rays. But you just have to make sure that there are different ways you can actually do, but by taking support of the ruler, I have done it. At least you get an idea exactly how to do it. But keep in mind that the layers that I've applied and the way I've actually uh, painted those tree trunks, concentrate on those and then try to paint the rays. So follow along with me and try to paint and let me know how it goes. If you use watercolor, it's entirely different. You won't be able to use the same technique. It's not possible at all. So it's maybe you will have to use white, or otherwise gouache, or otherwise just lifting color. So one of these you should work for watercolor. But acrylic painting just felt that it is very bright and contrast, so that's what I followed. Follow along, and if you have any doubts, comment below. If you have anything in your list that you want me to paint, just let me know. I'll try my best. And take care. I'll see you in my next video.